Welcome everybody. Today I'm going to be creating a check socket for Sol. So we've already done 6 of them. This is the final one, but I just want to do a quick inspection inside to make sure that there are no air gaps. So normally what a CPO would do is drill holes and push small pieces of wood in to check that there are no gaps and visually inspect. You can also use transparent material. I don't have any transparent material, and I thought it'd be a great opportunity to try Fusion 360's new Volumetric Lattice feature. So I've downloaded the 14-day free trial on the extension, and we're going to give it a go. So what I'm hoping to do is turn this into basically a basket that I can then visually inspect inside to make sure that I've gone in as tight as I can. So what I really want to do when I'm creating a socket, if you've seen the other videos, how to design prosthetic sockets part 1, 2 and 3, I want to create curvature which hugs around the bone on Sol's arm, which gives us a nice suspension of the socket. Now you do get a little bit of vacuum suction. Once Sol's arm is in this, it's usually difficult to get off unless you allow some air in, but we need that mechanical lock as well. So I want to go tight around these prominences, bony prominences at the side called the condyles, and then also into the pit of the elbow or the olecranon. So without any further ado, let's get straight to it. So what we do is we jump into modify, go to volumetric lattice, select a body that we would like to lattice. It defaults to gyroid. I want to use 2.5D cell. I'm actually happy with that as it is. You can play around with various settings to change the size of the holes, the amount of material, etc. But generally speaking, for visually inspecting it and 3D printing this, that's pretty good. I just want to create a quick offset. I don't want the lattice to appear up here, so I'm just going to create an offset using the fillet at the top, or the neck, or whatever the proper name for the socket is. Keep in mind guys, I'm not a prosthetist. This is just something that I've been doing to help my little boy over the last 7 years. So I'm sharing these tips with you. We've got a offset along the top where the lattice doesn't appear. I'm actually going to increase the size of that offset now to 10mm. That looks pretty good. Let's just change that to 10. And then also pick that face at the bottom. So I've got a flat base to print from and a basket design that I can print. So it's probably going to want to use support material in a few places. I'm not sure actually. We'll see how it goes when I put it into Simplify 3D now. But that's basically the basket shape I want, so we just OK on that. Now this is a preview only, so if I was to export this as a mesh at this stage, it would actually just come out as the original solid body that I started working with. What we have to do first is come over here and create a mesh. Now this is going to take a little bit of time, so with the wizardry of video editing, I'll jump straight to the end of the process. So we should be able to 3D print this now and then see how it goes on Sol. So we printed it off and we're home from school today. How was school, Sol?
Yeah, good.
Okay, not so bad. Can I have the socket? Thank you very much. So
Yep.
printed off without support material and it came out okay. So we're just going to give it a quick test now then. And I'm going to use the back of a Q-tip, as you would call it in America, or a cotton bud, and just probe around to see if there's any air gaps. So let's have a look. Sol, take your arm off then, bud.
Sure.
Dax, we won't be long. You can go back on your Xbox in a second. What is it, Jedi Survivor today?
Yeah.
How you getting on, mate?
Good.
Very good, good lad. Okay, yeah, take the sock off. Okay, let's have a look. Show your paw to the camera. There we go. Right, now can you put that on yourself?
Yep.
I think it feels okay. It feels weird because there's loads of holes in it, yeah?
Yeah.
So we're going to quickly have a look now and see if there are any air gaps that I need to then adjust in CAD, and we'll print another test socket if necessary. But if Sol says it's good, then we're going to go with it. So we're just going to have a little look here now.
Feel it.
You can feel it. So we're pretty close all the way around then.
Feel it.
Around the back. Have a look. Let's just lean that on there. Try and get this on camera.
Feel it. Then. Feel it.
You can actually see your skin pushing up against it everywhere, so that's nice. That means we're pretty good then. So what do you think? Wiggle it.
It's good.
Right, so remember to like and subscribe if you like our videos, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take it easy. Bye.